Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I'll be showing you how you can use onions and Vaseline for your hair to grow and stay in good health. So here I have white onions, so you can use any onions of your choice, so it's fine. So I'm just going to grate it now with my little grater, as you can see me doing. So guys, this product is really a must try for you that want to grow your hair really fast. So after that, I'm just going to take my Vaseline. You can use as many Vaseline as you want. So I'm going to add that into my jug, as you can see. So guys, the next thing is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize your hair, and also a good product that can penetrate your hair strands and keep it moisturized. So I add that. Then so now I'm going to be pouring in the onions that I grate earlier inside the jug. Everything, guys, if I need more oil or more grease, I will add later, but for now I'm just going to add the onions inside my jug. Then I will just put it on hot water for like 15 minutes, guys. This is how it's looking like now. After 15 minutes, it's just like this now, but the benefit I've not really released except inside the oil, so the grease just melts. That's why you're seeing it like that. So now I'm going to allow this to stay for 5 days. You can let yours stay for 2 days to 3 days if you really want to get enough, like all the benefit from the onions to the hair grease. You have to leave it for like five days, then you start using it on your hair. So now I'm just going to put it back again on hot water, guys. I put this on hot water every day on a very low flame, so that it will not like too much of processing. So I just put it on gas with a low flame that will just heat up the water. Then that can also help to release the nutrients inside my oil. So now this is how it's looking like now. I'm just going to put it back again on hot water. So guys, after 5 days, this is how my onions and Vaseline oil hair grease hair grease is looking like now. As you can see, you can tell that there's nothing left in this onion, so everything has released themselves inside the hair grease. So I'm just going to get my strainer, then I will strain out the grease. So guys, thank you so much for my returning subscriber for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my new video. If you just subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, like and comment at the comment section below. So now I'm just going to use my strainer to kind of press out all the water and also all the grease. Okay, so I want water to be inside of this product, so that's why I am pressing it, so that the onions water can come outside. So in case you don't want the water, you can just pour it and just remove it immediately, so that the water will not drop inside your oil. So guys, this is how I will just press it out. This oil is really so amazing. Let me call it grease. This grease is really so good to help to grow your hair, penetrate your hair strand very well, and also condition your scalp if you use this on your scalp. So guys, this is how the oil is looking like now. Onions is really so amazing for our hair growth. People have used it and they have testified that onions is good. The reason why I don't use onions on my hair every day is because of the smell of onion. I don't want my hair to be smelling of onions all the time, so I use it like once a month. So yeah, once a month is okay for me to use onions on my hair. So now I just transfer everything inside this little applicator bottle where I will be using it on my hair. Okay, so I'll be using this as a pre-poo treatment. Just put it on my hair, then I allow it to sit for some time, then I wash it out with any shampoo of my choice. So guys, this is my hair now. I just took down my protective style, then I put this on this fat waistline. So don't mind my face, guys. I'm wearing my DIY face mask. So yeah, now I'm just going to continue to apply the product to my hair. As you can see, my hair is already on a session, and it's going to be so easy to apply this hair grease to my hair. So now I'm just continue to apply this to my hair. If you notice, I did not spray water on my hair, so that's why I did not spray water, because I don't want this thing to be dropping on my body and the onions as well. So I did not spray any water because there's still water in this hair grease, so that helps to keep my hair soft and hydrated before I apply the grease to my hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to put my hair together, then I will just cover my hair with a plastic bag. So now I'm going to just add a little bit on my palm, then I will rub it together and use it to massage my scalp just the way you guys just see me doing right now. So you have to try this product out for yourself. If you use the oil in the grease before you start using the Vaseline, if you want to use it as a pre-poo treatment. Okay, so thank you guys so much for your always coming back. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you guys so much. So now I put my hair together like so. I'm just going to grab any lalor, then I will just use it to cover my hair, so this grease and the onions can work can work together. As you can see, you may just put it under this place. You can leave it for an hour or two. If you wish, you can leave it on overnight, then you wash off your hair in the morning. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Stay safe and have fun. Be happy.